Yes, good afternoon all. My name is M. Y. Swami from Accident Institute. See, we have a topic of Arrhenius equation from Chemical Kinetics chapter. Chemical Kinetics chapter has a good weightage in JEE and NEET as well as for CBSE also. See, now in Arrhenius equation we will come to know about the relation between temperature and rate constant. We know that rate constant is influenced by two factors. One is temperature, other one is catalyst. Now, how temperature is affecting this rate constant means that is described by this equation called Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation we have K equals to A into e power minus EA by RT. The terms in this equation are K means for rate constant, A means for Arrhenius factor, or you can also call it as frequency factor. Unit is per second. Next, E is Napier's logarithm. We can say the most important factor is EA, that is activation energy. Activation energy, and R value, you know, gas constant is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, you can say, otherwise 2 calorie per Kelvin per mole, you can say. And now T is temperature. And we have also another factor, that is the total A into minus EA by, E power minus EA by RT can also be called as Boltzmann factor. Based on this also we had a question in the previous years. What do you mean by E power minus EA by RT? This factor total represents Boltzmann factor. What do you mean by this E power minus EA by RT means? See, we know that if you take 1 mole of any reactant molecules, that will have Avogadro number of molecules. Among all the Avogadro number of molecules, we have only few molecules having sufficient energy to collide each other to form the products. Out of 1 mole of molecules, we have only few molecules having sufficient energy to react or to collide each other to form products. So, such kind of sufficient energy possessed by molecules, we have only few fraction. So, this term E power minus EA by RT, which is called as Boltzmann factor, that represents a fraction of molecules having energy equal to or more than threshold energy, we can see. A fraction of molecules, the term E power minus EA by RT represents the fraction of molecules having energy equal to or more than threshold energy, you can say. And those molecules only be giving the products upon collision, we can say. So, these terms are most important. See, by looking at this equation, we can deduce many expressions, we can deduce many relations, we can deduce many equations to solve the questions for JEE and NEET. See, by looking at this, we can say K, rate constant, E power minus EA. Minus EA means this is exponential to the power minus EA, mean to say that rate constant K and activation energy both are inversely proportional to each other, because minus EA represents inverse of activation energy and K and this is exponential factor. So, by this equation we can say K and activation energy are inversely proportional to each other. And now this is divide, in the denominator we have temperature, so that K and T are directly proportional to each other. So, rate constant K and temperature are directly proportional to each other, we can say. And we have, more importantly, we have to take the relation between rate constant K and activation energy, that is both are inversely proportional to each other. So, by this you can say K1 by K2, that equals to EA2 by EA1. So, based on this we can have questions for JEE and NEET. This one equation we can take, and next thing is, suppose if you apply log on both the sides of this Arrhenius equation, what we can get? So, ln K, that equals to ln E, and ln E base E, that becomes only 1. So, ln E base E becomes 1 means you can get only directly minus EA by RT. So, this represents an equation like y equals to mx plus c. So, ln K must be taken on y axis, and 1 by t, this is EA by RT, that 1 by t must be taken on x axis. So, if you plot a graph of ln K versus 1 by t, you could get a negative slope, that is minus EA by RT. So, this is most important. They will be mentioning what kind of questions they will be asking from this equation, means they may ask about the graph directly, and they may ask you to say about the slope, that is minus EA by RT. So, they will be giving activation energy value and you will be asked to say about slope. Suppose activation energy value is given in terms of joule per mole, means you can use R value as 8.314. If suppose activation energy is given in terms of calories, means R value must be used as 2 calories. So, this kind of questions will be asked. This is one kind. This is one kind of equation we can get. And we know that ln is nothing but 2.303 more times than that of logarithmic value. So ln is always equal to 2.303 times more than that of logarithmic value. So in place of ln, if you substitute 2.303 log k, in place of ln, if you substitute 2.303, that becomes 2.303 log k, that equals to, in place of ln a, you can write 2.303 log a. And here as usual, a by RT. Now you see, if you divide this equation with 2.303, so divide by 2.303 gets cancelled out. Here also divide by 2.303 gets cancelled out. Here also divide by 2.303. So final equation can be log k equals to log a minus a by 2.303 RT. This also be representing y equals to mx plus c equation. So if you take log k on y axis and 1 by t on x axis, you can get a graph of a linear line with a negative slope you can get. So that is nothing but m becomes slope, that is nothing but minus a by 2.303 r. So only one thing you have to get the difference between these two graphs. This graph is ln k versus 1 by t. Ln k versus 1 by t means slope becomes a by r, that's it. But this graph will be giving a slope different. So this is log k versus 1 by t. This is ln k means slope becomes minus a by r. If it is log k means slope becomes minus a by 2.303 r. This is the difference you have to know. So ln is given means minus a by r. Log is given means slope becomes minus a by 2.303 r. So we can have questions even in between based on these graphs also we see. See, at a temperature T1 we can say rate constant K1. At a temperature T2 we can say rate constant K2. So now generally what we say is at a temperature T1 rate constant is K1. So that we can say log K1 that equals to log A is constant here minus EA by 2.303 or T1 we can say. This is first equation. Now at T2 rate constant is K2. So that we can say log K2 becomes equals to log A minus EA by 2.303 or T2. This you can consider as equation 2. Now if you take equations 2 minus 1, if you take equation 2 minus 1, you can get log K2 minus log K1 that equals to, so log A minus log A, this can get cancelled out or not? Log A minus log A gets cancelled out. So that you can have only minus EA by 2.303 R. This is common. 2.303 R is common into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2 you can say. This is the expression you can get. And of course log K2 by K1 you can also write it as log of K2 by K1 that equals to minus EA by, see here minus if you write means minus EA by 2.303 R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2 you can get. So based on this equation you need to solve questions for JEE and NEET. But we say one short trick here. Suppose if temperature is 298 Kelvin and T2 temperature is 308 Kelvin, you will be asked to find. Generally we know that as the temperature increases by 10 degrees Celsius or 10 Kelvin, rate or rate constant is always increased by 2 times. So by this you can say activation energy falls in between 50 to 55 kilojoule per mole, or you can say activation energy will be in between 12. So if you take equation 2 minus 1, you will get an equation of log K2 minus log K1, and here we can have log A gets cancelled out. Then you can have minus EA by 2.303 R is the common factor in both equations. So if you take it as common out, you can get 1 by T2, this is minus of 1 by T1. So with this negative is going to that side means you can get log K2 by K1 equals to EA by 2.303 R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. This is the equation most important to solve many of the questions. But here we have a short trick to remember. Whenever temperature is found to be a difference of 298 Kelvin and 308. Whenever temperature difference is 10 Kelvin, you can take it as a 310 Kelvin or 300 Kelvin. Temperature must be only, difference must be 10 Kelvin. So when temperatures are like this, you will be able to ask to calculate activation energy values. So activation energy directly falls in between 50 to 55 kilojoule per mole or 12 to 13 kilocalories per mole. So this is a question asked many times in the previous years. So you need to remember this as directly. Without solving this equation, you have to substitute T1, T2, R value, K2, K1. Then without solving these things, directly you can go for finding activation energy will be falling in between 50 to 55 kilojoule per mole. If in terms of calories means 12 to 13 kilocalories per mole.